How to automatically update WooCommerce order statuses in Google Sheets. Let's jump in. Before we start the main process, make sure FunnelKit Automations is connected to Google Sheets. You can connect to Google Sheets from FunnelKit Automations, then Connectors. All you need to do is hit Connect and then sign in to the Google account you want to connect to. Once done, let's create a new automation. Add the Order Status Changed event trigger from the WooCommerce options. This will be the starting point for our automation. Next step, configure the event by setting both the From Status and To Status. This setup will trigger the automation whenever there is a change in the order status. For instance, here we are setting the Order Status Change event from Processing to Completed. You can choose to update the status for all the products or any specific products. Make sure to select Run on Contact multiple times, so order statuses get updated for all the orders for all the customers rather than just one time. Now, it's time to add an action that will update the data in Google Sheets. Navigate to the Send Data section and choose Update Row under Google Sheets. Click Done to add the action. Moving forward, you'll need to set up your Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet in a separate tab and copy the ID of the sheet. Remember, the ID is a specific part of the URL, the part between D and Edit, not the entire URL itself. After securing the ID, paste it into the Enter Google Spreadsheet ID field on your automation setup page and click on Get Sheet to synchronize with your spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet contains multiple worksheets, make sure to select the one where you want the data to appear. Now, specify which Google Sheet column will store which data. In the Data section, click on Add New. Use the merge tags to pull in the data you need, such as the order status. Make sure to set the order ID as the lookup column, as it contains unique data. Once configured, hit Save to finalize your automation. Don't forget to activate the automation. To ensure everything is working smoothly, update the status of a WooCommerce order, then review the connected spreadsheet. You'll find the order status neatly updated in the sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a WooCommerce to Google Sheets integration to automatically update order statuses in real time. Ready to add Google Sheets integration and need help? Shoot us an email at support@funnelkit.com. Happy selling!